If the sun collapsed into a black hole, could we survive? Let's imagine. One morning, the sun doesn't rise. Instead, where our sun should be, there's a black hole. Same mass, same spot, just infinitely darker. First, here's the wild part. Earth wouldn't get sucked in. A black hole with the sun's mass would bend space just like the sun does, so our orbit wouldn't change. No cosmic vacuum cleaner. Gravity stays the same. We'd keep circling this invisible monster, 93 million miles away. And this is a massive, but light, warmth, and life gone instantly. The sun's light takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. When it suddenly stops, we'd have 8 minutes of normal before darkness smothers the planet. Think about it. No sunrise, no glowing clouds, just a cold black sky. Not even the moon, because it only shines with sunlight. In that moment, all plants stop photosynthesizing. The food chain starts to collapse. The temperature drops, fast. Within a week, Earth's surface would plummet below freezing. In a year, average temperatures hit -100 degrees Celsius. Oceans freeze from the top down, trapping liquid water beneath thick ice. Maybe some life survives deep underground or near hydrothermal vents at the bottom of the sea, where Earth's own heat lingers. But for us, on the surface, survival gets grim. We'd scramble for warmth, burning fossil fuels, gathering underground, hoping for geothermal energy to keep us going. But it's a losing battle. Our atmosphere, once held in place by solar energy, begins to freeze and collapse. Would you see the black hole? Maybe, if you looked hard enough, it'd be a dark void, warping starlight around it, a cosmic funhouse mirror in the sky. Eerie, beautiful, and terrifying. No solar flares, no sunlight, not even a warning. Just the quiet takeover of gravity and the slow, frozen suffocation of a world left in the dark. Could we survive? Maybe for a while, deep beneath the ice, clinging to the last scraps of energy. But without the sun, life as we know it would end. So tonight, when you see the sun set, remember, our star isn't just a light in the sky, it's the reason we're here. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share for more science stories.